The 4K video because of course my camera the battery was dead again, so I actually have to figure out how long the battery lasts. So I'm going to do that once it's charged. I'm going to do some readings and see how long the battery lasts, and then I'll be able to know better all that stuff. So how long I can go for a walk before my battery's dead. But anyways, I've started going for walks, going to head towards the tracks, and we're gonna go clean up the tracks and collect some empty cans and then bring them in for gas. So I like to do that. I like to clean up the environment and also go for a walk at the same time. Alright, so I'm gonna turn the camera around. Alright, here we are. Start a new video. Here we are. Kinds of little gadgets that you can find. I have a few of the old nails laying around. A few of those. Okay. There's the lawn boys. Lawn boys. Going further. What's this one? Make sure we see if there's trains coming. Make sure we're aware. Always aware when you're walking on the tracks too. It's kind of creeped me out when all that bad things happen on the track somewhere out there. Oh, we found our first can. What is it? Is it even? I don't even know it's an energy can, but we're gonna pick them up too. And we'll put them in a blue box. So gotta pick it all up. And people should be more cleaner. People shouldn't do it. Shouldn't do it. I haven't really looked for any, but I'm just kind of walking. Oh, look at the daisy. Daisy. Oh, it's a little windy. Clear up. I couldn't find my sunglasses either. Oops. Looks like somebody threw something over there, garbage. Oh, look at this grass. It's so cool. So gentle. It's gentle. Oh, this grass. Almost grass is. I thought I smelled it, but I don't. It's very thin. I smell something. I smell sage or something. If I knew how to forage for things, I want to learn to forage, but oh, there's a pail there. If I was foraging anything, I could pick up pail up and use it, but I'm not picking up pail up. Not picking up big objects, like only cans and stuff. Nothing big. I swear I smell sage. Oh, maybe it's just one of my angels going for a walk with me. And if there's something in the water like that, I'm not going in there. I'm not going in the mud. I'll take the dogs to the dog park, maybe. And then I'll record that on 4K when I come back. Battery should be charged. Ooh, wait, that's where the trailer park is. And that's where the female is on that side. Trailer park on that side. And there's lots of room to get off the tracks if there's a train coming. So I'm probably just going to go to the other side of this building up there. Oh, look at the moon. Isn't it so pretty? I'm going to take a picture. I heard some noise in there. There's probably frogs in that water. Let's walk. I'm going to put my keys in my purse. They're jingling. I don't know why I always feel like I have to have my keys in my hand. So don't lose them, I guess. See what all the cool things we can find. We found one energy can. That's pretty good. People have been not as bad, but maybe somebody else has gone to clean up things here. With all the yellow flowers, the purple yellow flowers over there. Yellow and purple flowers. Oh, here's somebody. All right. Ooh, it's creepy. We're getting into the woods now. I can hear somebody. It's a pretty far walk right now, all the way to where the shade stops. All right, let's walk. There's still train going on this track, but I don't know what they carry. Oh, if a train comes and I have to hide. Hopefully I don't get attacked by the bushes. Ooh, see what I mean? I have some of those. I think those would be great hooks. We don't use them anymore. And they make great, really awesome hooks. I'm a little eccentric. Oh, it looks like somebody's gone up here. Somebody's gone up here. Crazy. Oh, the sun's coming out now. The sun's coming out. Very beautiful. The birds are starting to chirp. Oh, we found something. We find, I'm gonna put my purse right there. Put my purse right there. Put the bag right there because I don't want to fall in. What is this? Is this worth anything? Oh, we found our first 5, or what is it, 5 cents? We found our first blackberry flavor cedar. 4.5 alcohols. We found our first can. It's going in the bucket. I mean, it's going in the bag. All right. We found our first can. Actually, now the breeze is gone. Oh, there's a ball. There's a black ball over there. Black ball. Right there. I'm not taking the ball. I'll find out. Oh, looks like somebody's been going up there too. They're going up and down this area. Look at the sisters. Oh, look at all the driftwood. Actually, that's not really nice driftwood, actually. It's not really driftwood, that one. Oh, there's a water bottle. Plastic. I know I should pick that up. I'm on the way back. Look at all the... I'm not picking up those bottles. There's a lot of garbage. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Oh, another one of those Big Ale or whatever. It's kind of rusty, but Looks like people have been. I'm not getting all into this mud and shit. We'll put it in there. That's my other bag. Oh, my water bottle now. Okay, so there's another one over here. Right there. Oh, I'm not gonna get wet and shit for this. Ah! Oh, come on. Is this stick? Can I use this one? Or to be a fucking Pepsi can. It is a fucking Pepsi can. Fuck. Not using it. Not picking up everything. Another Pepsi can. Must have been kids over here making a mess. Or people from the others from the over there throwing their garbage down here. That was more like it. That's more like it. Okay, we're not doing that. We're not doing it. Probably gonna cut some of this shit out. Okay. Let's go. Bag lady. Or bag lady right now. No sunglasses, so I didn't put my glasses on. I have not been wearing my glasses. They don't work well with me. Maybe people just stop drinking alcohol. That's good. That's a good sign. Maybe they're drinking more water and more water and stuff. Non-alcoholic drinks. A lot of mud over there. Tonight I'm doing a solar plex reading. So we are charging. I'm just charging myself up for all that. And I'm moon. Moon's about halfway. Look at that pretty flower up there. Okay, so let's look at the moon first. Moon. Oh, see that bird flying? The birds are flying through there. And then look at that big flower over there. One single flower. Probably some special flower. Okay, stop moving. So I don't know how well I'm picking things up. Trying to hold it still. Make sure nobody follow me. It's about 4:30 in the afternoon. Start walking. This is just behind my house, so I can just go for walks for now. Little walks. Start getting out of the house and get used to being outside again. In this new world. Look at all that long grass. It's so pretty. I don't know how far I'm going to walk. I'm going to walk for a minute. Make this an ASMR video. It's not steady enough. I know we just got to the birds. Okay, let's go walk. Okay, we gotta keep our eyes on the prize. Gotta keep our eyes on the prizes. What would you use this for? I don't know. It's a bit lucky. But it comes from here. Right there's those ones. And then there's those ones. Well, that's pretty cool. Piece of driftwood there. Look at the big river ditchy thing over here. The ditch. The river. There's the water. Oh, fields, something's coming up already. Maybe it's corn. I don't know. These are pretty flowers. Pretty flowers. I'm just going to take pictures of all kinds of these. Pretty flower here. Oh, look at all the bugs on it, though. There's some people up there, probably fishing people. Hopefully they're not killers. We're gonna hope they're not killers. I haven't found much. I haven't found too many of those. I haven't found too many cans yet. That's pretty good. People have been living a better life, starting to live a better life. I like to see that. More peace in the world when there's a cleaner world. Oh, so we're gonna cut the grass over there. That's where the trailer park is. What's that one? Well, yes, it's not as many cans as I thought there would be. Only found two cans. But that got me out. Let's go see who the people are. Oh, look at this stone I just found. It's almost like a heart shape. I was finding those damn hearts. I was finding them damn hearts. The field, way open field. Shelby used to love running in here. Shelby used to love running out here in the fields. Wide open fields here. I don't know if those people are coming this way or going that way. We'll say hi to them and see if they want to be on camera. I did say it online that I was going on the tracks. I shouldn't have said that. It wasn't on my live, but it's on a friend's live. You never know who's watching. I'm not going to go too far where I don't feel safe. I just hope I don't run into anybody I don't want to run into. Maybe I should just not go any further. I don't know who's up there. And if it is a certain person, it won't be good. It's hard to see. It's hard to see them. Anyways, I'll go up to that sign over there. That white signs. Go that far and then I'll go back. It's hard to see that far. So I don't have my glasses. Oh, it's over here. I found something. I found some green bottle. Right there. And then there's a can right there. Oh, we got a bud can. Shit. I don't know who those people are, but hopefully they're friendly. That's how far I've gone. I don't know if they are heading the other way or what. And when do you see that car way up there? Did you see that car crossing? Like up the hill, just above the hill. That's where the road to Vanastra is, and that's where the guy that murdered his wife, that's where he dropped, threw her body down. So, I don't want to go there. I've been there before. Seems like the people are blocking the tracks too, but they seem to be, I don't know, they just chill there. What is that? What is that? It looks like a little wagon someone threw down there. It's probably those people's wagon up there. It's probably the Asian people. There's a little wagon. That is hilarious. Who left their wagon behind? Found something interesting. Somebody left their wagon with a little cart. So weird. It's probably those people's wagon up there. I don't know if they're coming this way or not. Oh, that's a pretty cool thing. Where'd that come from? Oh, what part of the tracks is that? Anybody can tell me what part of the tracks that is? It's actually pretty cool. You know, I was gonna start doing some rust dyeing, like clothes and stuff, rust, and make some patterns. I think I'm gonna go back because it's pretty clean. People have cleaned it up pretty good. Here's a nice piece of driftwood. That piece of driftwood. That is real driftwood right there. I think they are coming this way now. I'm gonna go the other way. Maybe they're nervous too. I don't see any more hands. I found a couple of them. Where the people are, but I'll turn around. They're coming this way now. So I'm gonna head back too. Yeah. It's a big. They got their wagon. Oh, look at this one. This is one of those different tides. Jink. Oh yeah, I gotta go down there. I want to go all the way around again. So I'm gonna go down here. There's gonna be a lot of mosquitoes over there later. Usually smells over here. Wow, these trees have gotten bigger in the last 4 years. I remember when the trees were very small over here. I remember we used to walk here, and the trees were a lot smaller. Oh, this big hole is still here. Big hole. And then another big hole. And you know when you're walking, that's fine. It smells like shit too. I don't know. I think they have like dead animals brought here. I don't know. It's a female, so making some kind of feed. Oh, there's those people. There's people coming. Coming down the tracks and then they come. They'll be coming down the tracks, and when they come, they'll be coming down the tracks when they come. They'll be coming down the tracks when they come. No, I think they make these big holes here so you can trip, once you walk. Oh, those people are coming this way too. The ones on a bike. Oh, they got their cart. Like three guys. Three guys. From the female to home. To home. Up the hill. Yeah. Here we go. Done this before. Deja vu. Lots of beautiful trees over on this side. Not a cement on this side. Walking with the trees. I gotta go eat. Hungry now. And I'll do a collective reading energy check-in. Hi. That's one of the guys. Okay. Hello. I guess they weren't so scary.